JC가 따나가 뭐 하이브시도 타보고는 로이는 또
바이바티도 먹더니 거의 섭사나
분이라는 거
원하디 하다가 타보기나 때 바이바티도 먹고 저거니 예매거나 뭐 섭사나 이거 뭔가 것도 없니 그냥 수원산디로 그리고 너와를 봐야 그냥 사실 그냥 보이는 데가
Ante matanya ayam tindi. Sumna thama chujara miya mo. Ayam na lagu kan tamu kan cap mana kan. Jinung manung na sinata ba. Aina lukha ta jiba sana me puna mang loy na ta na di kan daw ni cha. Ta na mandu na ta sana na jinwe yo.
It is very safe. Living condition of the families, and someone knows their husband, living the families and the small children. Someone's living, as well mothers. It is very unfortunate and very sad, and it is highly condemnable, and condemning in the strongest term those Kuki militants, the terrorists who are killing the innocent farmers, and the government has already started hunting the terrorists, and we will definitely hunt them down, and we will book as per the law of the land. Hunter forces who are taking site and to replace by the neutral forces, so that the life and property of the innocent people can be protected.
One last question. At the Fuwala mining site, you see the bunkers of the Kuki terrorists has already crossed the mainland in the field area and shifted towards the Meitei villages. So how you are going to look there? Because in spite of the central security forces being deployed out there.
No. That could not be happen. If that kind of things happen, I will definitely look into and I will destroy it.
Okay, thank you.